So if you're getting the error code 41 on your LiftMaster, there are a few things that you may need to do. So first is you may want to inspect for obstructions. Now begin by examining the door's path here for any debris or objects that might impede its movement. Even small items can trigger the safety sensors and halt the door's operation. Ensure that the tracks are clear and that the door can move freely without obstruction. Next is you may want to clean and align the safety sensors. Now, dirty or misaligned safety sensors are common cause of this error here. So gently clean the sensor lenses with a soft, non-abrasive cloth to remove any dust or cobwebs. Then check if the sensors are properly aligned. They should face each other directly with no visible gaps or misalignment. Now, if necessary, adjust their position to ensure proper alignment. Now, also, you may want to check door balance and track condition. Now, the door that's out of balance or has damaged tracks can exert uneven pressure, triggering the excessive force detection. Manually lift the door halfway and release it. If it doesn't stay in place or moves unevenly, the door may be unbalanced. Inspect the tracks for any bends or damage that could impede smooth movement. Addressing these issues may require professional assistance. Next is you may want to recalibrate the force and limit settings. Now access the opener's control panel, typically located under the light lens. Press and hold the adjust button until the indicator light begins to flash. Then press the up arrow to open the door fully and down to close it completely. Press the adjust button again to save these settings. This recalibration helps the opener recognize the correct force and travel limits. And from then on, you may want to reset the garage door opener as well. Now, if the error persists, consider resetting the opener. Unplug the unit for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Alternatively, press and hold the reset button on the motor until the lights flash, indicating a successful reset. This can help clear any temporary errors and restore normal operation. Now, also, you may want to test the door's response. Now, after performing the steps before, you may want to test the door by closing it with a remote or wall control. Place a small object like a wooden brick in the door's back here. The door should reverse open upon contact, confirming that the safety sensors are functioning correctly. Now, if the error code 41 continues to appear despite following the steps before, it may indicate a more complex issue, such as faulty logic board or sensor. In such cases, it's advisable to contact a certified LiftMaster technician to further diagnose and repair your LiftMaster. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.